Joe, I observe that once again you were late this morning. Do you want to explain?
I'm sorry, Mr. Zolani, but I promise I will make up for it. Yeah, by going home early. So, Mr. Zolani, how does the increase look like this year? Taking into account how weak our rand is.
Pretty good, Joe. Looks like the wife and I will be able to take the whole family to New York for the holidays.
Really? So the increase is that good, hey?
Oh, I thought you were asking only about my increase. Not to worry, Joe, you can take that holiday trip to Belleville with your increase.
Belleville?
Yeah, I think Belleville as a holiday destination is highly underrated.
Really?
They've got a bell, I think, and Voortrekker Road runs through it.
I can't believe I worked this hard to be this poor.
A weak rand takes a strong stomach because you won't be able to afford food.